Hi, I'm John Hassell, the lake guy here at Cedar Creek Lake with Ebby Halliday Realtors. And today I'd like to show you a little house I just listed in Cedar Crest Shores. Now this is on the southwest side of the lake, about a third of the way down. Off-water home, cute little chalet. I mean, this is dollhouse. And it's right across the street from the POA park that has a fantastic lawn tramp. By the way, if you hang around, I'll show you that at the end of the video. This is a 2-2. Has a loft upstairs. House has been redone considerably. I've got a list of that, of what the owners have done to it. Also has a bonus room which they use as a laundry room that can be converted into a bathroom or an office. Man, this is a nice place. Vaulted ceilings. I mean, it's just a dollhouse. And it's a quiet little subdivision. Great launch ramp. Good VRBO. So let's get started. Well, here's your drive up to your new place right here. Look at that. Isn't that something? It's on a big 100 by 100 by 100 by 100 lot. Has a one-car garage, and I'll tell you about putting a deck on top of that garage, having a fantastic view of the lake itself. But here you've got the street that the house is on. Not any houses on the street to speak of. Hardly any at all. And right here is part of the POA park. And then you go down over that little rise, and you are at the lawn tramp. So let's go take a look at the house. Like I said, it's nice and quiet. Kind of an overcast day, a little bit windy, but we're going to have to make do with what we have, okay? Let's go take a look. Here we are on the front of this house. Look at that. They're getting ready to replace, I think, one railing on that porch. Outside's been repainted. Nice yard. Beautiful trees. Elevated. Got a great area down there if you want to build a big garage. Perfect. You want to turn the one you have into a man cave? Perfect. But here's your view. This lot over here is part of the POA. And the lake is right there. Let's go take a look at. Well, now we just walked into this little dollhouse, and as you can see, look at that great big vaulted ceiling. Staircase that goes up to a loft room. Down that hallway, there's a bath behind the barn door. On to the right, bedroom. On to the left is the bedroom. Now in the bedroom on the right is where you've got that room that's a laundry room. That's a big room that could be converted into another bathroom or an office. It's a pretty good sized room. Got a nice kitchen. Got plenty of room for an island here if you'd like. Look at that. Come back around, dining area. Like I say, this is just as cute as it can be. Has been painted on the inside. Everything was taken down to the studs and redone. New flooring. Just as cute as it can be. Here you've got this one bedroom back here. And it does have that, goes out into that laundry room, storage room. This is the bathroom here. And then you've got another bedroom here. And this is just a dollhouse. This is a dollhouse. A great place to come, relax, enjoy. Fireplace, they say, will run you out of here. Just take a look at this. It is beautiful. Like I say, it's kind of a dark day. Windows got the shades down, but plenty of light in here. One thing I wanted to mention to you is that's the garage I was talking to you about, taking the roof off of and putting a deck up there. And if you put a deck up there, you will have a view of the lake, which we were about to go and see right now. But beautiful place. A lot's been to it. I'll have the information on file if you'd like to know everything that the owners have done to this. But come take a look. It's not going to last long. Here we are at the POA park. You can see there's a launch ramp right there. A dock going out next to the launch ramp. It's really good deep water, so no matter what kind of boat you've got, probably going to be able to launch it. And if you notice, there's also a ramp, dock area for swimming and fishing at the POA park. So you got plenty of room out here. You're right off of open water. You're protected from the south wind, so launching your boat is actually pretty doggone easy. Coming back around to the shoreline, and here's part of the POA park right here if you want to have a picnic, cook, whatever you want to do. And you are just literally 50 yards from where this is. So VRBO, yeah, people love it. Great place, come see it. Now if you'd like more information about this home or any other home here on Cedar Creek Lake, please get in touch with me. I'll be more than happy to help you. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button and hit that like button, because hopefully we'll have some more things coming on in the future, okay? Y'all have a great day. Come to the lake. Come